Today I'm going to highlight why watermelon is more than just a summer snack. Did you know watermelon is 92% water? It's also for hydration and cooling effect. High water content makes it ideal for staying hydrated. Also helps replenish fluids, lost through sweat, especially in hot weather. Natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium support hydration balance. Watermelon is also rich in vitamin C, contains vitamin A and B6 for immune support and metabolism, and low in calories. Watermelon can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, grilled, or in salads. Vitamin C, check. Collagen boost, double check. Your skin will thank you. Snack it, bend it, grill it. Watermelon's got range.
Watermelon feta salad. Cut cubes of watermelon with crumbled feta, mint leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Grilled watermelon. Yes, grill it. It caramelizes the sugar and adds a smoky twist, great with lime and chili powder. Smoothies and juices. Combine with strawberries, lime, or coconut water for a hydrating blend. Frozen treat. Puree and squeeze into popsicles or sorbet, and no added sugar needed. Watermelon seeds are firm to the touch and have a smooth outer shell that protects the nutrient-rich core inside. Though often discarded or spit out during snacking, watermelon seeds are surprisingly edible and packed with protein, magnesium, and healthy fats when roasted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps the juicy content coming. And if you're craving something refreshing, I've dropped some of my favorite watermelon recipes in the description below.